that we're getting to know from Mumbai, where over 30 nurses and 5 doctors we're getting to know have tested positive for COVID-19, and that is being reported in yet another hospital in Mumbai. This is the Jaslok hospital that we are talking about, where Jaslok hospital has become the latest hospital to be impacted by the spread of COVID-19. We are looking at many hospitals, especially like the Sion Hospital, the Bombay Nair Hospital, many others as well, the Bhatia Hospital, that have now reported even the doctors and the staff members now testing positive for coronavirus. Jaslok Hospital also reporting fresh cases. Niranjan Naranswamy, our editor, with us to give us more details. The staff at the Jaslok Hospital testing positive for COVID-19, Niranjan.
Well, that's correct. And very, very important to observe also at this point that about 11 days back, Republic TV was outside the Jaslok hospital when we reported that the emergency section, the entire hospital had closed to new patients except for critical patients. And back then, there were reports of 8 members who showed symptoms. The hospital, however, said that only 1 had tested positive back then. But this comes as a big worry, because back then Jaslok Hospital said that only 1 had tested positive and others were being tested. And 11 days after that, now we're getting in reports that 31 nurses and 5 doctors, that's 36 in all. I think after Wokat in Mumbai, where 56 healthcare workers, including doctors and nurses, are tested positive, this could be the second biggest case of hospitals, of healthcare workers who are testing positive. I think this is a big concern, very, very big concern, Amita, because several hospitals in Mumbai have already been sealed. Some have been termed containment zones, like Wokat Hospital, a very big hospital in Mumbai, already a containment zone. Bhatia Hospital, already a containment zone. Some hospitals like Breach Candy, Hinduja Khar, and Jaslok already was affected. And now that most staff members have tested positive, I'm sure that the hospital will take preventive measures, more preventive measures. I don't know what they are. But certainly, at least in Mumbai, I can tell you, KEM, where I also reported from a few days back, KEM also doctors have tested positive. I think this is a worrying sign, because frontline workers, our doctors, are the ones who are going ahead and going all the way, sort of trying to save lives. But the fact that this is happening now, I think, is a big concern, and we'll have to wait and watch what happens. We don't know the circumstances of the cases due to which all of them came in contact and contracted COVID, but this is certainly a worrying sign.
Well, even Mumbai has seen the highest number of coronavirus cases that have been reported. Maharashtra continues to see a surge with over 3,000 cases that have been reported all in all, currently at 3,323 with 201 deaths. This is yet another hospital that has now been affected with the doctors and other staff members being positive for coronavirus.